Snoring. Everybody does it. It sounds pretty weird. It can also be pretty funny. But at what point is snoring a medical concern? If you notice that your child is having difficulty sleeping at night or snoring really loudly, they may not just have a noise. They may have obstructive sleep apnea, a condition that can affect their nighttime rest, but also their daytime activities. Children with obstructive sleep apnea often have restless nights, daytime fatigue, and may often have attention or learning disabilities at school. Symptoms such as loud gasping or pausing at night, very loud snoring, or just restless sleep may have this condition. Early treatment is extremely important for your child's health, energy, and their future. Don't ignore the snore. Schedule an evaluation with our ENT team today.